Kingdom greetings. Karen Pina here, your glory teacher, heavenly success and ascension specialist. I am sharing a product today that I saw, I don't know, about a month or so ago, but I decided to pick it up this past week and I made something so delicious. I'm talking about bing, bang, boom, to the moon and back, Ethel. Okay? Remember the honeymooners, right? This is what this did for my taste buds yesterday. So I have to share it. The product is from Big Mountain and it is Lion Mane's Mushroom Crumble. Now, if you remember correctly, I did a medicinal mushroom recipe here not too long ago. I'll put the link in the description. These mushrooms have so many health benefits. I am not even going to start to name them. You can check out that video for more specifics there. What I want to share today is this Lion's Mane mushroom crumble from Big Mountain and what I made with it, okay? So I literally sauteed some onions and some garlic, and you can put red pepper in it if you like, but I didn't. And then I put this crumble in there with some taco seasoning. Okay, not much because there is some seasoning in this crumble already. I used a teaspoon and I sauteed this, cut up some lettuce, organic tomatoes, and then I picked up some Siete Foods tortillas. Okay, this is cassava flour. They're grain-free taco shells with avocado oil. Delish. All right, so you can pick those up at your health food store or Walmart that happens to have a good section. And then you just assemble. You put some crumble in the bottom with some faux cheese. I use Daya for this, the Daya Mexican blend. Put on some lettuce and tomato, a little dairy-free sour cream, and I'm telling you, this is delish. I hope you try it. If you do, drop me a comment right below. Blessings.